Hi, Jerry Sell here with the Vengeance Division of Forest River, and this video highlights the features of the Rogue 29KS travel trailer. So right off the bat, the Rogue product is a true toy hauler made in a toy hauler factory. What does that mean? That means that you're gonna get heavier duty axles, a heavier duty frame, chassis. The product itself is 8.5 feet wide as opposed to the standard 8 wide that you'll see in a regular travel trailer. And what that does is allows you to have more room for those bigger vehicles like the golf carts or your UTVs or these types of things. So starting with the features and benefits of the exterior of this 29KS, we're going to start right up here at the front where you're going to see the optional electric tongue jack. We have two 20-pound tanks or 5-gallon tanks up here. The nice thing about this is, being the 20-pounders, is this is the size tank that you can find in the replacement stores. Like if you go to a hardware store or that type of thing, you actually can just switch your tanks out. You don't necessarily have to go get them refilled, so it's very convenient. All Rogue products come with a 27 series battery, and the reason for that is on all Rogue products, we have a 100-watt solar system that comes with every trailer, and part of that solar system is the battery itself. So you're gonna have 100-watt solar with a controller, voltage meter, and we'll see that on the inside, and then your battery here on the outside. So this is a new 2023 model Rogue, and some of the changes for this year from last year, number one is gonna be our optional fiberglass is now a high gloss gel coat white, which gives it a really nice clean look. Also new for 2023 is our backup camera package system, and that is basically a ready system. What we've done for this year is we actually have a 4-camera system available now. 2 of them are going to be on the front here on either side. You can see right here at your turn signals where you can mount the cameras so you can see when you're turning, you can make sure who's beside you and that type of thing. We always had the rear backup camera available, and the 4th camera is actually one inside, and you'll see that later in the video, where you can actually see your cargo going down the road, and I'll explain that in a minute. Moving down to the side of the trailer, you're gonna see this black glass, tempered glass door. That's an exclusive that we have with within the Forest River division, which gives it a really good look, especially the contrast against the white. They all come with 2 exterior speakers and a TV mount, so what you can do here is actually the plate for this is with the trailer, so what you can do, get your TV, you can have it mounted outside, inside, you want to come out and watch the races or the baseball game, bring it right out here, plug it in, your hookups are here, and you can watch TV out under the awning. Speaking of awning, you have got a 21-foot awning on this trailer. In fact, it's so big that we actually give you a center support. You can't get a bigger stock awning than this one. Our main entry door features the step above steps, which are the real nice solid steps that you can actually adjust down here. So if you're on a different angle, you've got it, so they're nice and steady when you're gonna be bringing in your groceries. New for 2023 are the solar reflective windows, which is nice because it matches the door. You've got the great solar window here. The great thing about this is in the summertime especially, you're going to reflect away a lot of the UV of the sun, so your camper is going to stay cooler on the inside. The 29KS comes with a 30-gallon fuel station. So what this is for, obviously, is you pull into the gas station, this is where you're gonna fill up the 30-gallon tank. Then you have the nozzle here so that you can actually fill up your toys. So if you're out with your dirt bikes or your ATVs, this is where you fill it up. This is actually the switch to turn it on. And this is actually a digital system. So to turn this system on, if I just hit the on button, nothing's gonna happen. So it's a protection for the owners. For this to work, I'm going to hit the off button and hold it till the on button flashes. Now you'll see it flashing there. Now I can turn this pump on. So what I want you to do is listen to the sound of the pump when I turn it on. And now I'm going to turn it off, and the pump will make a different sound. You'll notice a slight change in tone. What that's doing is once you're finished pumping the gas into your motorcycle, your UTV, When I hit the off button, you'll see it came off now. When I hit the off button, what that different sound is it's actually sucking the gas, pumping the gas back into the tank from the nozzle. It's a great new safety feature. I'm standing on the ramp door, which right now has been made into the patio position. So we have these aircraft cables here that are holding it up. Obviously, to bring my toys in and out, these would be disconnected, the ramp would be down. The ramp is rated for 3,000 pounds when you're driving in. So you've got a 3,000 pounds, so that's pretty much anything that you can fit in here is gonna fit on those, the weight's gonna be good for the door. We bring it up, we hook these aircraft cables on. Now I have a patio that's rated at 1,500 pounds. The nice thing about this is with the patio, we've given you this patio system that I'm just gonna roll out here real quickly. You see it's all on casters, it's all metal, sturdy. I just pop that in there, lock it in here, lock this in here, this does the same thing. Now, I'll bring this over, we're shut, we can keep the dogs in, we can keep the kids in, and we've got this great back patio. New for 2023 is our Lippert collapsible ladder receiver. What that is up at the top, you'll see the black receiver is there, and this is obviously the Lippert collapsible ladder. It's called the on-the-go ladder. This is an aftermarket item. So the nice thing is you've got the receiver. If you want to have a ladder on the side of your coach, this ladder collapses down, expands up, hooks on, and the great thing about it is it's much more stable, has an angle so you're not going up and down on the side of the coach. Also new for 2023 is our water heater. Instead of the standard gas water heater or gas electric water heater with a tank, we're now using the Furrion tankless water heater system. What that basically means is you have unlimited hot water. Standard on all Rogues is the generator ready feature. What that means is you've got this compartment right here that is designed for the NPS generator that we can put in for you or your dealer can install after the fact. When I say generator ready, what I mean is the compartment is already here, the wiring is ready to go, your fuel lines from your fuel station are already here. All you or your dealer has to do is cut this out the bottom, mount the generator, plug and play. Also up front are a couple of really nice features too. Number one, your black tank flush, which is great for cleaning out your black tank at the end of the day, but also for cleaning yourself, you've got hot and cold running shower here. And for cleaning your toys, we give you a spray port. So right here, there's a high pressure sprayer that goes with it with a nozzle. Plug it right in, clean off your toys before you put them away to go home. One of the primary features on the inside of the 29KS is obviously going to be the huge storage space that you have for your toys. So you have just under 16 feet from the back door all the way to the front kitchen counter, and it's pretty much unobstructed all the way. In the back here, there's some features unique to what we do. Number one is going to be our bed system. We do not use the motorized bed systems that you see so many other brands use that have to have a 12-volt motor, and that whole system can take 7 to 8 minutes to set up the bed because those mechanical systems, only the sofa goes up and down. So what happens is if I want to get this bed down, I have to bring the sofas down to a bed position. I've got to have the sofas come up and disattach the bed. Then the bed rests on the sofas and comes down. And the whole process, honest to goodness, takes about 7 or 8 minutes. So we came up with this system, which takes about 7 or 8 seconds. So also on the back of the 29KS is this rear screen wall. I have half of it down right now so you can see what it looks like. So the nice thing is you've got this screen area so you can have it all down, get great airflow and have privacy. And then at night, instead of having to fold everything up and bring the ramp door up for privacy, all you have to do is roll these flaps down, and you've got the privacy here with a tent end. You don't necessarily have to close everything up at night to go to bed. So also on the floor of the 29KS, you'll see the tie downs. You have 2,500 pound tie downs to make sure your stuff stays secure when you're traveling. And also I want to point out that we have actually a dovetail or a beaver tail. The floor itself goes from being level here, starts to go downhill at about 2.5 feet. So what that does is now your ramp comes up and it gives you a nice, smooth transition for your bikes or whatever. You're not gonna bottom out as you bring them up into the camper. So the seating area in the 29KS gives you the jackknife sofa here, and then you can also get an optional Euro recliner if you like. What I'd like to talk about, though, is how this space works for the bigger UTVs or sandrails. You see, the 29KS was actually developed for what's called a sandrail, which is kind of like a dune buggy. It's long, it's got wide stance wheels. So as you can see, we have this slide out that's going to come in. Well, when the slide comes in, you're going to have 74 inches of space, right? But you do have that wall. So when you have a bigger vehicle, what you like a sandrail, what we'll do is we're actually going to take this jackknife sofa, pop it up against the wall. Now look at this, the floor actually comes up as well, right? And we have a strap to hold this up. So what happens is you bring your sandrail in or your big UTV in, because you know the tires are the widest part. So you bring it up, and then you bring the slide in so that the slide box itself comes in around the tires and allows you to maximize almost all of the 16 feet. So let's talk about the living space now in the 29KS. I'm standing here, you've got a great L-shaped galley, so it's a very functional kitchen area. You've got overhead cabinets here. I've got a bank of 3 drawers. You've got pantry style cabinetry over on this side, and then you have the 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator over here. The great thing about this being 12-volt is going down the road, you don't have to worry about your propane being on. It's running off of the battery, and it's also being charged by your truck's alternator, just like your truck battery is. So it's a very convenient, very easy way. And then this is also why we've given you the solar system. So everyone's going to come with a 100-watt solar panel, but we also have an option, and I wouldn't be surprised if your dealer doesn't have it on the lot, of an additional 100-watt panel. So you could have 200 watts of solar already mounted on your trailer. So with 200 watts of solar and 2 27 series batteries, you should have no problem running all week on this 12-volt refrigerator. We've designed the 29KS with a lot of the electronic and switch features right by your main entry door. So when you first come in the trailer, well, the first thing is going to be down on the floor area, you'll see is our 12-volt disconnect. So what that is right now it's on, so we have electricity and 12-volt throughout the coach. When I'm finished camping for the weekend, I go home. The last thing I do when I leave the trailer, I reach down here, turn this off. So now what happens is I don't have any power coming in. It's disconnected the power from the battery. The cool thing is your solar continues to charge even with the battery disconnect off. So also up here in this area, you're going to see all of our switches, our entry switches. You'll see the electronics to take your awning in and out, your slide in and out. Here's your monitor panel so you can see how full your tanks are. New for 2023 is this Bluetooth receiver. So the trailer doesn't have a stereo system or a CD player or any of that anymore, because nowadays everybody uses everything on their phone. So what this does is this will connect to your phone. I can play my movies. I can get the sound through the speakers. It still comes with the speakers inside and out, right? But now you'll just play your tunes right from your phone, which is what we all do anyways. You'll also see up here is the voltage meter. This was all part of that solar. So you can see right now we're running at 13.7 volts, which is very, very good. So the last thing I want to mention is, along with the electronics, because you really can't see anything here, is the coach is equipped with the Lippert One control system. And what that means is on my phone, I actually have the ability to control the lights. I can put my awning in and out. There's all kinds of features depending on which model you get that One Control app will work. So if I'm sitting outside and the wind starts to come up, I don't have to come running inside and hit the switch. I can just take my phone and use it. Very technologically advanced product. So we also have this switch right here, which is actually a tank heat pad switch. So what that means, not only is the Rogue 29KS fully insulated down below and enclosed and heated, so when your furnace is running, your heat is actually blowing into your underbelly to make sure that your tanks don't freeze if you're not freezing while you're camping. Now that's not to say it's a 4-season coach. What I'm basically saying is if you want to use it as your hunting cabin and it's November and it freezes overnight, you're going to be fine. You don't want to camp in this thing, especially in the upper north areas in the wintertime. But the great thing about the switch here is the heat pads. So not only do you have the enclosed heated holding tanks, but the switch actually turns on heat pads on all three of your tank, fresh, gray, and black. So the good news is you have that extra protection of making sure that the tanks don't freeze when it's cold. And the other great feature is when you're going down the road, and a lot of people don't think about this, but when you're in the camper and you're camping, of course you're warm and the tank heaters are running. But when you're driving down the road, and let's say you are using it as your hunting cabin and it's freezing as you're driving, it'd be a great idea to flip this switch and make sure your heat pads are on going down the road, and that way you're sure that when you get to your campsite, you don't have ice cubes. We've squeezed in this great side aisle bath on the 29KS too. So what you've got is your toilet, foot flush toilet. Behind the toilet, we've got a nice linen cabinet. You've got your shower with the glass shower doors, vanity, and then there's a second entry from the bedroom. So when you're in the bedroom, you can come right into here to the bath. The bathroom houses the controls for the new tankless water heater. Now, why is that? And the reason is you'll see if I hit the on-off button here, one of the cool features about this is it'll actually show you that there's 115 degrees. So you can actually adjust the temperature of the shower however you want. So a neat thing that you can do is ignore your cold water. So let's say I know that I like a 111 degree shower. If I set the water heater to 111 degrees, I can go in the shower now and just turn the hot water on, and it'll be exactly at the temperature that I want. I think that's a really cool feature with this new water heater. The bedroom in the 29KS features an oversized queen, or we like to call it the Rogue King bed. So a queen bed is normally 60 inches wide. We've given you a little bit wider 66-inch bed so that it's a little bit more comfortable. And of course, you'll see you have full overhead cabinetry for storage and side wardrobes on each side in the bedroom to store your clothing. Also in the bedroom is the switch for your generator. So it's right here by the bedroom, because a lot of people don't want the generator running at night, so it's right here in the bedroom. Before you go to bed, hit the switch, turn it off. So now that you've seen the floor plan of the 29KS, let's talk about some of the electronic functions that we have. And we're still in the bedroom. So the first one I want to point out is if you look up here on the ceiling, you're going to see a cable hookup. Here's your TV backer, an electric plug, and then you'll see also a 12 volt, or what we used to call an old cigarette lighter, plug. The cool thing about this is because you've already got a 100-watt panel and very possibly 200 watts of solar with the battery, you can actually get a battery TV, or a 12-volt television is what I should say, a 12-volt TV, and plug it in here so you can be dry camping and still have access to watch the news or the weather or whatever here in the bedroom. So that's the Rogue 29KS travel trailer. Room for the biggest of toys and your family. For more information, visit us at www.forestriverinc.com/rogue.